implement midpoint circle drawing algorithm. So before starting the implementation, we will just revise the steps of the midpoint circle drawing algorithm. The first step of midpoint circle drawing algorithm is the first we need to input the radius r in center of the circle and obtain the first point on the circumference of the circle center on the horizon as x naught y naught is equals to 0 comma r. In the second step, we will calculate the decision parameter which is equals to 1 minus r. In the next step, we will check the sign of the decision parameter which is a pk. If the decision parameter is pk is less than 0, then the next at the next point k plus 1, the next decision at k plus 1, the value of decision parameter will be pk plus twice of xk plus 1 plus 1. That means the x will be incremented by 1 and the value of the y will be same. In the next step, if pk is greater than 0, in that case, the at k plus 1, the pk plus 1 will be equals to pk plus twice of k plus 1 plus 1 minus twice of k plus 1. So in the next step, we need to determine the symmetrical points in the other 7 octanes of the circle. And in the next step, we will move each calculated pixel position xy onto the circular path which is centered on xc and yc, and plot the coordinate values x is equals to x plus xc and y is equals to y plus yc. And this process will repeat until x is greater than equals to y. So now these are the steps of a midpoint circle drawing algorithm. Now we will learn how to implement it in C language. So we will implement this program using C language. So here is a program of midpoint circle drawing algorithm. So initially we have included stdio.h, conio.h, graphics.h and math.h header file. All header files we will include in the program, and after that we will start the main program. So we will write the main program. Here the first step is declaration of the graph drivers, graph mode, initialization of the variables. So xc is the center of the circle, x coordinate of the circle, yc is the y coordinate of the circle. That is, these are the centers of the circle. R is the radius of the circle, x is y and p are the other integer variables. In the next step, initialize graph function is used. Then in the next step, we will use a printf function. In the print, by using this function, what we are doing, we are just reading the values of the center of the circle. So we will read the center of the circle in the variable xc and yc. Then in the next step, we will read the value of the radius of the radius of the circle, which is represented as r here. So the value of the radius will be stored in the variable r. Then we will initialize the variable x, which is equals to 0 initially, and y is equals to r. So y is equals to radius. So these are the initial parameters on the circle, circumference of the circle. P here represent the initial decision parameter, which is equals to 1 minus r as per the algorithm that we have discussed already. Then we will use the do while loop here. We are using a do while loop here, and you can see I have used written 8 times put pixel function here. So why 8 times? Because as we have studied in the algorithm, that circle is symmetrical around the 8 octant. So in the first step, we will display all 8 pixels corresponding to the 8 octant, right? So that's why we have used the put pixel function to display the pixel about the each octant of the circle. After that, what we will do, we will check the condition of, we will check the sign of decision parameter. So if the decision parameter is less than 0, then in that case, the updated value of decision parameter will be equals to p plus twice of x plus 1. As we have discussed this algorithm in the theory class, else y will be equals to y minus 1. So the value of y will be decremented by 1 if the sign of the p is greater than 0. An updated value of decision parameter will be equals to p plus twice of x minus y plus 1 as per the algorithm. Already we have discussed this algorithm. Then the value of x will be incremented by 1. And the loop will continue until y is greater than x. Okay? So this is a program, this is a code of midpoint circle drawing algorithm. अब इस प्रोग्राम को हम एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं. Now execute this program. So there is no error. Now, after execution, the first step is we need to enter the center of the circle. Now let's suppose I have entered the value 100. These are the values of the centers, and suppose the radius is 200. Now you can say this is out of range. Now again I compile the program. दोबारा से मैं कंपाइल कर रही हूँ और एग्जीक्यूट कर रही हूँ और अब कुछ और वैल्यूज देते हैं. Now suppose the central value is 100 200 and the radius is 100. Now you can see how the circle is displayed on the monitor. So this is midpoint circle drawing algorithm through which we can display the monitor on we can display the circle on the monitor. Now let's change the value of the centers. Now let's say the centers are 300 300 and the radius is like 80. Now you can see the result, how the circle is displayed on the monitor. So this is the outcome and result of the midpoint circle drawing algorithm. I hope you all have understood this algorithm. Thank you.